Hello. In this video, we intend to verify and complete the City Index Broker account. We will use the account that I have already created. We completed the registration steps in the previous video, and in this video, we will focus on account verification. We enter the profile section. In this section, we see the verify option. We click on it.
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.
We select the upload document option. To complete the process of uploading your official identification documents, you can use documents such as a valid driver's license or an international passport that has full machine-readable capabilities for verification. Additionally, you can also choose to use a government-issued residence card as the primary document you submit for this purpose. You must enter the individual's exact date of birth. This refers to the specific details which you selected and carefully specified during the initial registration process, including your full legal name and all of the complete required information. These must be recorded in your document and be valid up to the date you are registering. It must be valid, meaning its expiration date has not passed. The scan should be clear and include the document number with no damage or cuts. Both the front and back of the document must be uploaded and clearly visible. The document that is submitted can have a maximum size of 20 megabytes. We can easily use various file types, such as standard PDF documents, JPG images, and all of the other specific formats that you see listed right here on this screen. For uploading documents as proof of address, you can use a bank statement, credit card statement, or utility bills such as gas, water, electricity, and telephone. If the bill is in the name of a tenant, you must also submit the contract or lease agreement along with it. The document you submit must include your complete legal first and last name. The residential address written on the document must exactly match the specific one you entered during the initial registration process. If the document is a utility bill, its issue date must be after the date specified here to ensure it remains valid. The upload process is exactly the same as before. To begin the upload, we simply select the Upload Document option from the menu. We have uploaded the documents, and now we need to wait for the broker to review them. Once you have uploaded the documents, you need to wait until you receive the application status notification via email. Avoid sending any additional documents so that the process of verifying your account is not delayed by submitting extra paperwork.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.